Hey guys, it's Carmen here at Open Road Harley Davidson. Just hopping on to talk about how April is our Helmet Awareness Month. We have different helmets that you can choose from. There's 3/4 helmet, half helmets, full face, modular, 3-in-1s. There's a lot of different helmets, but more importantly, we're going to talk about just different things you guys should know about helmets. Obviously, you don't want to leave them out in the sun. You don't want to leave them hanging from your handlebars or on your seat if you're running in to do something or going to a farmer's market or just stopping for a pit stop. You want to be able to have it covered and in the shade a little bit, someplace cool, probably in a saddlebag too. You do want to replace your helmet every 3 to 5 years. If it gets dropped, obviously you want to replace it then as well, because the inside has like a foam lining kind of that you can see. And if you drop it or lay your bike down, whatever you do, that absorbs like the impact, and it kind of loses that absorbance once it's already dropped or like been hit. So you want to make sure you replace it if you do drop it. And then we also do have quick release snaps as well, if you prefer that over the snap ones that are already on the helmet. And then we also have reflective decals to help make you more visible to cars and other riders as well. We hope to see you guys soon, and we hope to help you with all your helmet needs.